Well, guys, it was a not bad morning skate sesh here at Live Oak Skate Park. Just trying to work on the cementing in those muscle memory and that skill, doing certain tricks. This board is getting pretty banged up. Right here, it's kind of swelling up from practicing heel flips, slamming down onto the pavement right there, and probably a few times on my ankle. Trucks are still looking pretty good. I had these from my last deck. Skated on them for a few months and then swapped them over to this after that board broke. The bushings are going. The top bushings are already split all the way around where the washer. Take this one apart because the little dust shield popped off of it. Wheels still look real good. I feel like I'm getting better. Mainly been focusing on the heel flips because I always found that one was a little bit more comfortable and easier for me to get the motions doing. I still haven't landed a kick flip, but I've landed several heel flips. If you look back at my other videos, you've seen me heel flip up the bank right here, heel flip a few times on the flat. I've done it off a few curbs here and there, off camera, just trying to cement those skills in. I'm still kind of learning that heel flip, but it's getting there. Almost got the shove-its like clockwork. Practiced the pop shove-it the other day after work, and I actually got a few of them. Shove-it is a lot easier for me because, of course, you're not popping and you can just levitate, pop like hippie jumps. If you practice the fakie disasters, tail stalls, 50-50s on the larger box and the smaller mani pad over there. You've seen me ollie down the 3 steps, tricks up and down the bank, ollie on and off of this taller step right here. Still haven't touched the rails. I'm getting there, just building up my confidence and trying to get over my irrational fear of rails. I work a lot on the quarter, down the 50-50s, almost comfortably front side and back side. I'm still having a little bit of issues transferring the weight above the coping, and I'm really just kind of tapping it from the inside and coming back in. Same thing with the stalls. Still trying to get over that barrier of shifting the weight up on top of the ramp and riding it. Rock to fakie, rock and roll. This video, I didn't really commit, but I wanted to see how it felt going up into a blunt stall. And I'm going to have to do some more research on those because that just felt weird, man. You get up onto there and it's such a weird feeling of having to get back into the ramp. I'm getting more comfortable with getting up into the stall. I'm just going to have to figure out the feeling of getting back into the ramp. A few other things I've been wanting to try is like, call them rock slides. A rock to fakie, but you board slide. If you like the videos, please subscribe. Comment down at the bottom if you have any video suggestions for me, any tips or tricks that you can lend my way to help me with some of these tricks I'm trying to learn. Or if you think of any tricks you think maybe I should start trying to learn, I'll take those suggestions as well. If you do like my content, like I said, please subscribe. I do a lot of skate progression videos, trick tips and tutorials, skate park tours, show my board setup, show how to set up the board for people who are just learning and wanting to learn how to set up their own equipment. And then I just started a new video series. I'm probably going to do 1 video a week on showing skate fits. I've banged up my shins a few times, but that's the name of the game. Thank you all for joining me for this video. Please like, comment, subscribe if you enjoy my content. Have a good day.